do I? Hi. Oh my gosh. You're so tiny. Oh my gosh. I don't think I even need a leash. Would you like a hot Vienna sausage, huh? Yes, you're so hungry. Look at that tail. Can I pick you up? Let's do a leash just in case. We don't want to lose you on this road, do we? Hi. Can I pick you up? Oh my gosh. Hi. Oh, and it's starting to rain. Yes, it's starting to rain. Thank you. Oh, was that a bird? Based on that guy's description, I didn't think we were ever.
We were never gonna find you.
Oh my god. Oh my god. What a face. I'm gonna do a couple pictures.
Okay, we're here. Ready?
I wonder if she did get like rolled. And that's what the bald spots are or something. Okay, come here, you. Okay. Yeah, I'll take that. But I don't think she can use her back legs. No.
Oh,
nope. Nope.
What a lady.
And that's.
Why does she have to be so cute?
That's
so cute.
So very swollen. Yeah, so.
Really swollen.
Oh yeah.
Baby girl.
You is hurt.
Okay, come here. I'm gonna put you up on the table. Well, your tail works. That's a good sign. Yeah, maybe your leg's just broken, or hip, or something.
She was like shaking the whole way too. We weren't sure what was going on.
Well,
Hold on, honey.
Get a shot.
let's try a Orb.
Okay. Baby girl. Like I was just in a ditch in the rain.